Ortur Laser, Master 3, Installation of LU3-20A Laser Module, sold separately, OUC2.0. Limit point screws on both sides must be installed into the second hole to prevent the laser module from hitting the front frame assembly. Unscrew the screws to remove the saddle tie holder. Secure the OUC 2.0 to the machine using the M-SI spacers and the M-SI X5mm screws. You can also fix OUC 2.0 as you see fit. Plug the normal OUC adapter cable into the L port of the OLM3. Plug the other end of the normal OUC adapter cable into the IN port of the OUC 2.0. Plug the 24V4 power adapter into the OUC 2.0. Plug the power cord into the 24V4 power adapter. Attach the LU3-20A laser module to the OLM3 and secure it with hand screw. Plug the laser cable of the LU3-20A laser module into the corresponding out port of the OUC 2.0, binding the main line with tie wraps. Attach one end of the duct to the duct connector. Install the airflow regulator from the other end of the duct as shown in the diagram to the appropriate location. Plug the pipe connection into the air pump, inserting the duct into the LU3-20A laser module. Note, when the air duct is inserted, there will be a clattering sound to indicate that the air duct has been installed. Binding laser lines and air tubes with cable ties. It is also possible to bind laser lines and air tubes as you wish. Plug in the machine's power cord. Plug in the USB cable. Long press the power button to turn on the machine to run normally. That is, the installation is complete.